What is your number one tip for attracting clients of your dreams?
Oh, stand by more garbage containers. I feel like you gotta attract like all good things in order to attract the clients of your dreams. These fucking guys, I don't think it's like really all that complicated. I think you just have to be a nice person, do nice things, work as hard as you possibly humanly can, and just like manifest a lot of nice things in your life and then work really, 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 really hard to make that happen. It's not that hard, is it?
Do you have to shoot film to be a destination wedding photographer?
No. You should not shoot film to be a destination wedding photographer. You should just shoot film if you want to be broke. Like 1 inch lower. It's perfect.
What are your tips for social media in this current year?
It really hasn't changed that much. I mean, it's changed completely, but the same things always hold to be true. You have to be consistent. You have to be posting things that people enjoy watching and looking at and make them feel good or make them feel something. Unfortunately now, it used to be like art. People were like, oh, that makes me feel something. Now it's like, what can make them stop scrolling for like a 0.1 of a second longer than the last thing that they looked at? So if you can make people stop scrolling, whether it's with a really meaningful caption or a really great reel or a really, really lovely carousel post, you just gotta make people stop and wanna take a look at something and then hopefully remember you the next time they're looking for a photographer. Cute! Do you think people think it's weird when people just like stop and take multiple photos of their home? Like this woman pulled her car over to do it. They painted this entire house blue. Brick looks like it's from the 1900s, which like it for sure is. There's an addition, I'm guessing a 3-bedroom, maybe 2-bathroom, and it's like 3 blocks from the water. There's no QR code on this sign. What's this woman thinking? My bet is 2.495 million. Lord of mercy, 404 page not found. Somebody's gotta help this person out, man. Okay, wait. It's really nice inside. Looks like a nice little cottage. Not a very big backyard. Really old appliances. Not cool old, just old. Taylor loves, I was right. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-car garage. Man, I should be a real estate agent. Guess how much it is? 2.995. I was off by $400,000. Sorry, but it is a nice house. Oh man, the thing I did wrong. Well, I will say the things that I did wrong brought me here, so how wrong could they have been? Because I like where I am, but I think that I didn't get experimental fast enough. I wish that I would have tried more things, like photography-wise and business-wise and marketing-wise and all of it. I wish I had just like tried more things and figured things out that worked and didn't work faster. I was lucky enough to have a pretty good teacher. You guys might know him, Taylor Jackson. But I just did whatever Taylor did, which like worked really, really well for him. And it took me like probably 4 or 5 years to start trying my own things. And then that's when things started to really happen for me, which was really nice. I mean, I think things happened before, I guess, but you really love your business more when it's yours. How do you build your portfolio if you have no portfolio? That's like the biggest thing everybody always asks. And I think like, if you wake up every day and you try to figure out how to make like a photo, then the next day it becomes easier and the next day it becomes easier. You call your friends, you ask your family. For sure you can post on Instagram and say like, this is the thing I want to do. I have no portfolio yet and I want to build one. Somebody really wants free photos. I guarantee it. So if you have what people want, which is images either of themselves or like, even if you're a real estate photographer, you're like, I want to do real estate. Somebody's got a house that they're trying to sell and they want free photos of it. So there's always somebody that wants what you have. You just have to like be bold enough to admit that you want to do it before you've done it. If you want to be an award-winning wedding photographer who specializes in destination weddings, put a wildly specific question, Taylor. I'm not one to say you need like every single type of camera and lens that's like the hottest, newest thing. I'm probably on the wrong channel for that, but I shoot on an R6 Mark II. It's nice. I have zero loyalty. If another camera comes out that's like lighter and faster and better, then I'll switch to that. That's fine. But basically you just need 2 camera bodies. Unfortunately, she's expensive. with dual card slots. You need like a few small lenses if you're a destination wedding photographer specifically. You gotta really think about packing. Probably one longer lens-ish, like even a 24-70 would probably really cover a lot of bases, and then maybe a 35, an 85. Dealer's choice, these are all the things that I like. And then you need 2 flashes because you can't really leave home. You go to Mexico and find out that your flash is dead. That'd be a bummer. You always gotta be thinking about the worst case scenario, plan for it, and then it probably won't happen.
That's a meme now.
This one's for my friend Kish. It's really so much harder to be a woman on a YouTube channel. Taylor doesn't have to worry about his hair. He just puts it under one of these hats and calls it a day. Look at my cool guy now. At least 35 or 85% cooler.
So cool. Oh, and if you're interested in coming to hang out with Lindsay, myself, Eric Floberg, John Branch, Sam Hurd, Nova Marquina, and Christine Tremolay in October at our hometown here, Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Tickets are about 85% sold out now, so get in quick if you want to come.
My entire strategy on posing is to like put people in nice light, get them feeling comfortable, get them to like me and each other, and then make them look like they're in love. It's pretty much the whole thing. Do nice things, don't make people feel weird about doing those things, and then nice things will happen. Is this licensed merch? Formula One? One thing you should not do, and honestly I see a lot of people do it for like the sake of views on social media, don't make your clients uncomfortable. Don't post about like being sick close to a wedding day. Don't post about computer issues. Don't post about camera issues. Some things just don't need to be on the internet, or like make a close friends list that's only photographers, you know? Don't try to attract other photographers with your marketing strategy. Try to attract clients. The best way to market your wedding photography business, I feel like kind of got to try everything. It's not just digital. You got to make real connections in person. I know everybody kind of leans into social media, but if everybody is doing that, that's probably not going to be the best option. So go and offer, you know, free images to wedding venues. I feel like that's a thing Taylor recommends all the time. Find a florist that needs images. Like again, you're the person that has the ability to give content and give images to all of these vendors. It's the thing that they need, and it's the thing they don't always get. So, you know, go out and form relationships and then put everything you can into every avenue of marketing. All of the effort, all of the time. It's exhausting, honestly, but when it pays off, it's so fun. And then you're gonna wanna do it again and again and again for hopefully another 20 years.
What's your favorite audiobook of all time?
What's the name of your book?
Wedding Photography After 1,000 Weddings.
Wedding Photography After 1,000 Weddings. It is actually really nice. He has a very nice, soothing voice. You're gonna become attracted to him, but he's mine. I think most wedding photographers, or photographers in general, when they first get started, they do what is natural and just start looking at the work of other wedding and portrait photographers. A lot of the time, the algorithm is gonna show you the ones in your area if you're searching just on social media, and I don't think that's what you should do. I find inspiration in like architecture, in fashion, in photography that's not wedding photography related. And I think that makes me enjoy my work more and not fall into the comparison trap and not fall into the like, I shot this gorgeous wedding, I can never show it to anybody because I went on social media and I saw what this person in my local area did on the same day and it was better, and now I don't want to post mine. It's like all trash, it's all trash. So I think find inspiration in nature and like, I don't know, cars, literally anything else. Shapes and light. There's so many other ways to find inspiration that aren't by comparing yourself to your competitors. There are a number of things that you can do to make your clients happier.
Yeah. He agrees.
Yeah. Being responsive, especially to important emails, you know, you can't always be the most responsive person in the world, but like knowing when your clients need you and when you can just respond quickly is a huge thing. Builds confidence and trust. Delivering previews is a really big one. Even if they're not included in their packages, try to send them a few quick photos right away. And delivering their galleries quickly and at the very least on time. At the very least. It's a hard one, I know. It's made easier by Imagen. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but
I'll use my affiliate link.
That's the truth. Here's the affiliate link. I like to show fashion on my Instagram. I feel like it's become part of like what my clients, you know me for in a certain way. They know that I like fashion, that I find it fun to talk about. I think it's also really important to show your clients that you know what's on trend and interesting and cool, especially as a geriatric photographer, 33 years old. The kids need to know that I know what's up. Oh God, immediately I don't know what's up. But yeah, I think if you stay on trend in your own outfits in some way, and you also can provide your clients with a really great recommendation guide for what outfits to wear for their engagement sessions or their portrait session, they're gonna be happier with you. It's super simple. If you want to book ultra luxury high-end clientele, all you have to do is change everything about yourself. Now, in order to attract a certain level of client, you have to be a certain brand of person, at least in the public eye, right? Like, I'm still a bum around the house and I still wear track pants all the time. But if you charge too little, you will immediately detract, that's the right word? A luxury client. Oh my goodness, you are so cute! That baby was so cute. Present yourself in a way that exudes confidence and makes your clients feel like when they book you, all of their big concerns and decisions that they have to make are taken care of and they don't have anything else to worry about. What's happening behind me? Should I be concerned?
Everything is fine.
Is it a whole ass fish? Oh.
Later, dude.
Okay, I have one more thing I need to say about the luxury market. Some photography educators will tell you, you know, there's like a dollar amount that makes it a luxury wedding. There isn't. That's not true. And if they tell you that there's a finite number that gets you like into luxury, that's just not true, because we all live in different areas, we all live in different markets, the venues are different, the clients are different. And so what is considered luxury in Carmel versus what is luxury in Waterloo, two very different things. So keep that in mind. You know, a luxury client will differ from photographer to photographer. In my mind, it's just what feels aspirational.
That's how you make a luxury video. You include at least 2 trash bins.
What a nice place. My horses.
Warren G. Nate Dogg.
My last advice for the internet world.
Gotta wait for this guy.
My last piece of advice for the internet ever, and then after this you'll never see me again, is be nice to yourself and to others. It'll probably work out in your favor. Create cool things that make you happy. They'll probably make other people happy. Don't worry too much about what other people are doing. Just stay in your lane, do your own thing, make nice stuff, and get out of your house. Go do things, go in nature, go do nice things, and then also, you know, charge what you're worth. Make some money, because life is just easier when your bank account has money in it. Oh, people can find me on the Instagram, Coulter photo. Yes, Lindsay Coulter is how you say my name, not Lindsay Couture, although I'll accept it. That's probably the place where you can find all the things. She was never seen again.
Bye.